6 plus 2 parenthesis 12 minus 6 times 2. 6 plus 2 will give us 8. Then we have 8 parenthesis 12 minus 6 times 2. In our parentheses, 12 minus 6 will give us 6. Then we have 6 times 2. Then we'll put down our 8 here. 6 times 2 will give us 12. Then we have 8 times 12. 8 times 12 will give us 96. 96 is wrong because we do not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let's solve the right answer to this expression. First of all, we are going to work with our parentheses because it comes first. In our parentheses, we have 12 minus 6 times 2. Multiplication comes first before subtraction. So we have to solve our multiplication first because it comes first. Our multiplication is 6 times 2. 6 times 2 will give us 12. Then we have 12 minus 12. Put it down our parentheses. We bring down our 6 plus 2. 12 minus 12 will give us 0. Then we have 6 plus 2 times 0. Remember, if a number is close to a parenthesis, note that there is a multiplication sign in between, which is this multiplication sign here. We are going to solve our multiplication first because it comes first before addition. 2 times 0 will give us 0. Then we are left with 6 plus 0. 6 plus 0 will give us 6. 6 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.